Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to bring up your story archive on Facebook. Story archive are basically the story you have posted on Facebook in the past. It will save them somewhere for you. You can always go back and download them if you want. To bring up your story archive, open your Facebook app, click on your profile, click on memories. Now click on the history icon at the top right corner. You're going to see all your story you have posted in the past. If you want to download them, you click on it, click on the three dots and click on save. It will now save on your gallery. If you go to your gallery, you will see the story. So that's how you navigate and download your story archive on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.